The job description of a production coordinator revolves around ensuring that all logistical elements of a production, whether in film, television, advertising, fashion, manufacturing, or events, run smoothly, on time, and within budget. This role serves as the operational backbone of a production team, bridging communication gaps between departments, resolving unforeseen issues, and organizing resources to keep workflow uninterrupted. Production coordinators are essential for translating creative visions into tangible outcomes by managing the behind-the-scenes details that bring a project to life. As industries become more specialized and timelines more compressed, the importance of a skilled production coordinator has grown significantly. These professionals handle everything from scheduling and permits to communication and inventory tracking, depending on the industry. They act as the connective tissue between management, creative teams, and technical crews, ensuring everyone is aligned and prepared to execute their part of the project. The job description of a production coordinator is highly dynamic and can shift depending on the production phase and type. For example, in media and entertainment, a production coordinator may oversee call sheets, booking crew, managing equipment rentals, and travel logistics. In manufacturing or product-based industries, the role leans more toward managing procurement, inventory levels, production schedules, and coordination between suppliers and production staff. Regardless of context, the production coordinator plays a pivotal role in ensuring deliverables are achieved efficiently and without disruption. Role and responsibilities of a production coordinator. The primary role of a production coordinator is to manage day-to-day production logistics to support the timely and efficient execution of projects. At the heart of their responsibilities is the ability to organize and communicate effectively with all relevant stakeholders. One of the fundamental responsibilities is schedule management. Production coordinators are often responsible for creating detailed production calendars and timelines that map out each stage of the project. They coordinate with department heads to ensure that every team, be it creative, technical, or operational, understands their deadlines and dependencies. In industries like film or TV, this may involve preparing daily call sheets or shooting schedules. In manufacturing, it could include production run planning or shift management. Another key duty involves resource coordination. This includes ensuring that all equipment, materials, personnel, and locations are prepared and available as needed. Production coordinators often maintain contact lists of vendors, rental companies, and freelancers, and they make logistical arrangements such as transportation, lodging, catering, and equipment delivery. In media and entertainment, the production coordinator serves as a vital link between the production manager, director, crew, and talent. They distribute scripts, manage documentation, and track changes to the shooting schedule. They may also be responsible for obtaining filming permits, coordinating rehearsals, and handling last-minute changes or emergencies on set. Budget tracking is also a critical responsibility. While production coordinators may not control the budget, they assist in managing it by tracking expenses, submitting purchase orders, collecting receipts, and reporting discrepancies. They often prepare reports for the production manager or producer to ensure that the project remains financially on track. Communication is at the core of everything a production coordinator does. They are responsible for keeping teams informed of schedule changes, location updates, or technical issues. Strong interpersonal skills are needed to ensure everyone is aligned, especially when unexpected changes arise. Production coordinators must relay information quickly and accurately to avoid delays and confusion. Documentation and compliance also fall under their responsibilities. They manage contracts, insurance forms, health and safety documentation, and labor agreements. In industrial or regulated environments, they may help ensure production meets compliance standards and that all processes are properly documented for audits or inspections. Problem solving is another daily challenge. Whether a supplier misses a deadline or the weather disrupts an outdoor shoot, production coordinators are the ones expected to find solutions quickly and effectively. Their ability to stay calm under pressure and think on their feet is critical to maintaining momentum. The job description of a production coordinator also includes maintaining post-production coordination in relevant industries. This can involve organizing edits, coordinating with vendors for packaging or finishing, preparing final reports, archiving documents, and closing out the project. In every context, attention to detail and the ability to multitask across several moving parts are essential to success. Skills and competencies required for production coordinators. Production coordinators must possess a wide array of skills, both technical and interpersonal, to succeed in their multifaceted role. Foremost among these is organization. With dozens of deadlines, vendors, schedules, and tasks to juggle, being able to stay organized is fundamental. Time management is equally important. Coordinators are often working under tight deadlines where one delay can disrupt the entire timeline. Prioritizing tasks effectively and maintaining momentum without burning out is a hallmark of a skilled production coordinator. Excellent communication skills are essential. Coordinators interact with diverse teams, from creatives and technicians to executives and suppliers. They must be clear, concise, and diplomatic in their communication, especially when addressing issues or managing conflicts. Problem-solving abilities are critical. Unexpected issues are common in production, and coordinators must think on their feet to provide fast, practical solutions. This often involves balancing the needs of multiple stakeholders while adhering to constraints like budget and time. Technical proficiency varies depending on the industry. In film or media production, familiarity with software like Movie Magic Scheduling, Final Draft, and Google Workspace is beneficial. In manufacturing or industrial settings, coordinators may use ERP systems, inventory software, or production planning tools. An understanding of budgeting and financial reporting is also valuable. Coordinators should be comfortable handling invoices, creating spreadsheets, tracking expenses, and working closely with finance departments to ensure accurate reporting. Multitasking and attention to detail are crucial traits. A single oversight, like forgetting to confirm a location booking or order essential equipment, can derail the entire production. Coordinators need to be meticulous in tracking every element of the production process. Flexibility and adaptability are also vital. Projects often evolve, and last-minute changes are common. Coordinators must adjust quickly while maintaining professionalism and composure. Leadership and team coordination skills help foster collaboration and trust. Although not typically in a top managerial role, coordinators often act as informal leaders who guide and support team members across departments. Finally, familiarity with industry regulations, union rules, and safety guidelines is a plus. In environments where compliance is important, understanding the rules and helping enforce them ensures smooth operation and legal protection. Work environment and career progression. Production coordinators work in varied environments, depending on the nature of the project. In film or television, the role may be based in studios, production offices, or on set. In manufacturing, coordinators are likely to work from factories or warehouses. Regardless of location, much of their time is spent using computers, phones, and organizational tools. Work hours can be irregular, particularly in industries like entertainment where shoots can extend into evenings or weekends. During high-demand periods or deadlines, overtime is common. Production coordinators typically report to a production manager, line producer, or operations manager. They often supervise assistants or interns and collaborate with department leads across production, logistics, marketing, finance, and human resources. As for career advancement, many coordinators use the role as a stepping stone to more senior positions such as production manager, line producer, operations manager, or studio manager. With the right experience, some move into directing, producing, or specialized logistics roles. Educational requirements vary. While a degree in communications, business, media production, or logistics can be helpful, many coordinators gain entry through assistant roles or internships. Experience and proven organizational skills are often more important than formal education. Conclusion. The job description of a production coordinator outlines a demanding but highly rewarding role essential to the success of any production-based endeavor. These professionals are the hidden engines behind smooth operations, ensuring that resources are properly allocated, timelines are met, and teams are aligned. Whether it's a film shoot, a fashion show, a manufacturing run, or a corporate event, production coordinators ensure that the vision becomes a reality without chaos or delay. Their work demands precision, adaptability, and strong communication skills, making them invaluable assets to any organization. The job description of a production coordinator reveals how much of a project's success depends on planning, problem-solving, and meticulous attention to detail, skills that elevate ordinary projects into professionally executed achievements. As industries continue to evolve and complex projects become the norm, the role of production coordinators will only grow in importance. For those who thrive under pressure and enjoy bringing order to complex, fast-moving environments, this career offers a dynamic path filled with opportunity and growth.